Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to fix the verification code not received issue on FoodPanda. So if FoodPanda is not sending you the verification code, just follow these simple fixes. First, check your internet connection. Make sure your Wi-Fi or mobile data is stable and working properly. If the connection seems weak, switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data and then try again. Next, turn your airplane mode on for a few seconds and then turn it back off again by tapping on the airplane icon in your control center. After that, make sure you enter the correct phone number linked to your FoodPanda account. Next, check if the FoodPanda app needs an update. For that, you need to go to App Store, search for FoodPanda and then tap on Update. If the issue still continues, try reinstalling the FoodPanda app. For that, you need to press and hold the FoodPanda app icon, tap on Remove App and then delete the app. You can later reinstall the app from App Store and then try requesting for a new verification code. If these fixes still don't help you, you can also try restarting your phone. For that, you need to press and hold the power button and the volume button together until the power slider appears. Slide to power off your iPhone, wait for a few seconds and then turn it back on again. Lastly, the problem could be from FoodPanda's servers. If there is maintenance or high traffic, verification codes may not be sent properly for some time. So those were some easy ways to fix the verification code not received issue on FoodPanda. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.